The family of renowned Nigerian musician Innocent Idibia, popularly known as 2Face, has petitioned the Department of State Services (DSS) over his alleged disappearance, expressing fears that he may be missing. This was disclosed in a formal letter addressed to the DSS by the family's legal representative. The development comes amid ongoing drama between 2Baba and his wife, Annie Idibia. Report indicates that the singer recently filed for divorce, and while the process was ongoing, proposed to a new partner, Natasha, a member of the Edo State House of Assembly, whom he reportedly intends to marry. In a recent video, 2Baba's mother made an emotional plea to Nigerians, urging them to tell Natasha to release her son. The family's petition to the DSS dated February 7, 2025, reads in part, "We are solicitors to the Idibia family, acting on their firm instructions to seek your urgent intervention regarding the disappearance of Mr. Innocent Idibia, also known as 2Baba. Our clients believe he may have been missing since February 10, 2025. The letter further states that 2Baba left his residence in the early hours of February 10th for what appeared to be his morning routine work but never returned. Efforts by his family, staff, and record label to contact him has been unsuccessful, raising serious concerns. This has led to fears that his identity may have been compromised and that he could be held against his will. The family urged the DSS to urgently investigate and locate the singer, emphasizing that his disappearance has left his loved ones traumatized and his music empire in jeopardy." However, the news of the petition which surfaced online have generated comments. You can drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.